1995 Chevy K 3500 6.5 liter turbo diesel. I've had these interstate batteries. They were 30-month warranty. I've had these close to 5 years now. And I do believe this is the one that's kind of has one cell maybe shorting out. But if you get you one of these little meters that you can clamp onto your clamps, also you can tell what's going on with your charger. Anybody young watching this, if you buy one of these, I mean they're about $200 to $300, but you get one that has the 200 engine start, 40 amp fast charge, 10 amp, 2 amp, and you charge on 2 amp, you will not be disappointed with this charger.